Assessing Students in Team-Based Learning. Carly Smith. Engineering Education, Purdue University. Technological Leadership Institute/STEM Education Center/Civil Engineering, University of Minnesota. smithadam.edu, http://www.say.thum.edu/smith. Nanyang Business School. Nanyang Technological University. Teaching Strategies for Cooperative Learning Workshop. December 12 to 15, 2011. Session Objectives. Participants will be able to describe key elements of interdependence and accountability for high-performance teamwork. Strategies for individual and team assessment. Trade-offs between meaningful and manageable assessment. Participants will begin applying key elements to the design on a course, class session or learning module. 2. Cooperative learning and assessing student learning. 1. Use a criterion-referenced system for all assessment and evaluation. 2. Use a wide variety of assessment formats. Performance-based assessment. Authentic assessment. Total quality learning. 3. Conduct assessment and evaluation in the context of learning teams. 4. Directly involve students in assessing each other's level of learning. 5. Assess, 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 and assess. 3. Student Presentations 1527. Evaluation Methods 1. Engineering Faculty. All faculty. Grading on the curve. 43%. 22%. Research/term papers. 19. 33. Multiple choice exams. 10. 32. Essay exams. 21. 43. Student presentations. 15. 27% of those using the technique in all or most classes. Highest of all fields. Lowest of all fields. 1. Aston, Alexander W. 1993. Engineering Outcomes. AC Prism, 3-1, 27-30. 4. UCLA Harry Faculty Survey. The American College Teacher, National Norms for 2007 to 2008. Methods used in all or most. All, 2005. All, 2008. Assistant, 2008. Cooperative learning. 48. 59. 66. Group projects. 33. 36. 61. Grading on a curve. 19. 17. 14. Term/research papers. 35. 44. 47. http://www.harry.ucla.edu/index.php. 5. Normal distribution equals failure. It is not a symbol of rigor to have grades fall into a normal distribution, rather, it is a symbol of failure, failure to teach well, to test well, and to have any influence at all of the intellectual lives of students. Milton, et al. 1986, p. 225. 1. Milton, O., Polio, H.R., and Eisen, J.A. 1986. Making Sense of College Grades. San Francisco, Jossie Base. 6. Bloom's distribution. If we are effective in our instruction, the distribution of achievement should be very different from the normal curve. In fact, we may even insist that our educational efforts have been unsuccessful to the extent that the distribution of achievement approximates the normal distribution. p. 52. Bloom, B. S., Madhouse, G. F., and Hastings, J. T. Evaluation to improve learning. New York, New York, McGraw-Hill, 1981. 7. Types of assessment. 1. Diagnostic assessment. Conducted at the beginning of an instructional unit, course, semester, to determine the present level of knowledge, skill, interest of a student, group or class. 2. Formative assessment. Conducted periodically throughout the instructional unit, to monitor progress and provide feedback toward learning goals. 3. Summative assessment. Conducted at the end of an instructional unit or semester to judge the quality and quantity of student achievement and/or the success of the instructional unit. 8. Minute paper, classroom assessment technique. What was the most useful or meaningful thing you learned during this session? What questions remain uppermost in your mind as we end this session? What was the muddiest point in this session? Give an example or application. Explain in your own words. Angelo, T.A. and Cross, K.P. 1993. Classroom Assessment Techniques, A Handbook for College Teachers. San Francisco, Jossey Base. 9. Reflect on the session. Session summary. Minute paper. Reflect on the session. 1. Most interesting, valuable, useful thing you learned. 2. Things that helped you learn. 3. Question, comments, suggestions. Pace, too slow 1. 5 too fast. Relevance, little 1. 5 lots. Instructional format, UC 1. 5 10. Gust, Assessing Students in TBL, Session 1, May 17, 2011. Q4, Pace, too slow 1. 5 too fast, 2.9. Q5, Relevance, little 1. 5 lots, 3.9. Q6, Format, UC 1. 5 3.7. Mo 8221, Spring 2011, Session 1, March 25, 2011. Q4, Pace, too slow 1. 5 too fast, 2.9. Q5, Relevance, little 1. 5 lots, 3.9. Q6, Format, UC 1. 5 3.7. Assessment formats 1. Performance-based assessment. Students demonstrate what they know and can do by performing a procedure or skill. 2. Authentic assessment. Students demonstrate a procedure of skill in real-life context, see approximations of practice. 3. Total quality learning. Continuous assessment of the process of learning, and teamwork, to improve it. 13. Making assessments meaningful. To be meaningful, assessment has to have a purpose that is significant. Assessments are meaningful when students are involved in conducting the assessment. Meaningful assessments provide a direction and roadmap for future efforts to learn. 14. Making assessments manageable, involve students. Myths about team-based assessment. 1. If you assess student learning, you have to give students grades. 2. Faculty must read every student paper and provide feedback. 3. Students are not capable of meaningful involvement in assessment. 4. Involving students in assessment takes valuable time away from learning and lowers their achievement. 5. Assessment is a faculty responsibility, not to be done by students. 6. Individual assessment is lost in team-based approaches to assessment. 15. Team charter. Team name, membership, and roles. Team mission statement. Anticipated results, goals. Specific tactical objectives. Ground rules/guiding principles for team participation. Shared expectations/aspirations, Every member is responsible for the team's progress and success. Code of cooperation. Every member is responsible for the team's progress and success. Attend all team meetings and be on time. Come prepared. Carry out assignments on schedule. Listen to and show respect for the contributions of other members, be an active listener. Constructively criticize ideas, not persons. Resolve conflicts constructively. Pay attention, avoid disruptive behavior. Avoid disruptive side conversations. Only one person speaks at a time. Everyone participates, no one dominates. Be succinct, avoid long anecdotes and examples. No rank in the room. Respect those not present. Ask questions when you do not understand. Attend to your personal comfort needs at any time but minimize team disruption. Have fun? Adapted from Boeing Aircraft Group Team Member Training Manual. 10 Commandments, an effective code of cooperation. Help each other be right, not wrong. Look for ways to make new ideas work, not for reasons they want. If in doubt, check it out. Don't make negative assumptions about each other. Help each other win, and take pride in each other's victories. Speak positively about each other and about your organization at every opportunity. Maintain a positive mental attitude no matter what the circumstances. Act with initiative and courage, as if it all depends on you. Do everything with enthusiasm, it's contagious. Whatever you want, give it away. Don't lose faith. Have fun. Ford Motor Company. 1819. Assessment at the course level. Knowledge survey. Classroom assessment, minute paper. Midterm review. Student management team. Peer review. 20. Midterm review. http://evil.thum.edu. 21. Student management team. A student management team will be used in this course to operationalize total quality management principles. The attributes of student management teams are described below, and the operation of the team is based on shared responsibility. Students, in conjunction with their instructor, are responsible for the success of any course. As student managers, your special responsibility is to monitor this course through your own experience, to receive comments from other students, to work as a team with your instructor on a regular basis, and to make recommendations to the instructor about how this course can be improved. Newfer, 1990 to 1995. 22. Attributes of student management teams. 3 to 4 students plus teaching team. Students have a managerial role and assume responsibility for the success of the class. Students meet weekly, professor attends every other week. Meetings generally last about 1 hour. Meet away from classroom and professor's office. Maintain log or journal of suggestions, actions and progress. May focus on the professor or on the content. Utilize group dynamics approach of TQM. 23. Chapter 8, Student Management Teams, The Heretic's Path to Teaching Success by Edward B. Newfer. William Campbell and Carl Smith. New Paradigms for College Teaching. Interaction Books, 1997. 830-9:30 ? Take copies of Active LRN, HTMI, New Paradigms. 25. 26. Reflection and next steps. What is the most useful/valuable thing you have learned in today's workshop? What is one thing you will implement? What questions do you still have?